Families come here over this weekend to really immerse themselves in the fall foliage, all of these really neat sort of craft activities that make the Stamford Museum and Nature Center such a tremendous destination for the community. The Fall Festival is just a great traditional event for Stamford. Storytelling. Apple cidering, of course, is at the centerpiece of what the Fall Festival means. We're very interested in capturing those kinds of traditions. We like to look at ourselves as a great complement and a great supplement to our public schools in Stamford. This is part of who we are as a signature nature-based organization. The Colonial Regiment, who came to us last year, to see them encamped here in the pasture and doing their fabulous demonstrations of woodworking and smithing is part of the charm factor. Our visitors can also see beautiful historic New England architecture. One of the most beloved and extraordinary features that we offer, the Heckscher Farm. We have a remarkable 1750 Cheshire barn, a bank barn. All of the families that come here on a festival weekend can get up close with animals. One of the things about the Stamford Museum and Nature Center, it has really been largely defined by the community it serves. It's a place of joy, music, all of the wonderful fall traditions.